Bueller, Bueller, Bueller.
May I help you?
Yes. This is not the best breakfast I ever ate, and I'd like my money back.
Okay. I believe you have to fill out a form for that.
No, I'd like my money back now.
Eating stuck in rush hour traffic after work, hungry for dinner.
I am on my way. I can go the distance.
He could go all the way.
Home, sweet home.
Ma chère mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, we invite you to relax, just pull up a chair, as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
20 minutes later.
I can't believe I ate that whole thing.
I need some rest. I'm tired.
The sun has gone to bed, and so must I.
This concludes our broadcast day.